Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a new day. It is Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas to all of you. I hope you enjoy your day, no matter what you're doing or who you're spending it with. So, Merry Christmas. I'm outside. I've got the grill going, and I'm just gonna grill out the steaks, the Spencer steaks, and the brats. And then I've already got the beer and the onions warming up in the Hot Logic. So this is the most I have to do today. We've already got our cookies made from last night, and we've got some leftover appetizers. So we are set for the day. I think I'm just going to spend today watching some Christmas movies that I haven't seen yet this season. And yeah, it's going to be easy, nice, quiet Christmas day. I forgot to mention, you probably didn't expect a video the day after Christmas because Vlogmas ended on Christmas Day. Um, but since I've gone this far with a video every day, I've decided to keep going till the end of December, December 31st, a video every day. I might as well finish out the month with a video every day, so that is my goal. So I won't title it Vlogmas. I'll just it'll be a every day in the life video. So all right, so that should make some of you happy. All right, the brats are done. So I've got them in the stainless steel bowl, and I'm grilling out the Spencer steaks now, and then we'll throw them in the beer with onions. And I might even add a third bottle. Yep, looks like I'll add a third bottle. And that is Christmas dinner. Okay, everyone. So, what we did on this Christmas day is you saw me grilling out the Spencer steaks and brats, and we decided to have those for lunch, but we still had some left over for the next day. And since we had some appetizers left, we just went ahead and had the appetizers at night for, I guess you can call supper or dinner. So we did eat some of our food that we grilled out during the day and ate appetizers at night, and that was good enough for us. So here we had leftover meatballs, shrimp, and the crab flake spread. So I'll show you what I did because after this, we went ahead and froze some appetizer stuff. So I'll show you what I did there. All right, so you can see here I have 3 bags of meatballs left. So when I made the appetizers, I cooked the whole bag of meatballs. And it turns out, if you remember I don't know if it was the Christmas Eve video where I made them, Glenn wanted more chili sauce than grape jelly. And I actually just used 1 bottle of chili sauce and a couple more tablespoons of grape jelly than Glenn did. And it turns out that Glenn actually liked it my way because with mostly chili and hardly any grape jelly, there was not enough juice. It just stayed really thick, and you needed that grape jelly to break down and make it a little more juicier. And the taste was better. So I ended up combining all the meatballs together after we ate our appetizers this night. And we didn't anticipate eating any more the next day, so I split them up into three separate bags and froze them for three other times. So now we have already made chili grape jelly meatballs for three other times. And I don't know if you can see the bags that are labeled. In two of them, I have 14 meatballs in each one, and in one bag, there's 10. So if we wanted to have appetizers New Year's Eve, I would just have to take them out of the freezer and heat them up, and they're ready to go. So we wouldn't have to buy any more chili sauce or grape jelly or meatballs. They're all ready to go. And then if you see in the upper left-hand corner, there's some more shrimp there. We did not eat all the shrimp. We certainly don't eat as much as we used to, because even I, who love shrimp, would have had this gone already. So we each had a little bit each night, Christmas Eve and Christmas night. And we took the rest and I just put them in a freezer bag and we're freezing all the rest of the stuff. The only thing that didn't get frozen was the remainder of the crab flake spread, which I would eat again the next day and pretty much until it's gone. So I don't anticipate having that for New Year's Eve. I'd probably make a taco dip instead. But as you can see, we, just like I've been doing with a lot of our meals, splitting it up. It's only two of us, so this gives us many more times to eat it. And it saves us money that way as well. So that's what I did with our remaining appetizers. All right, so that's going to do it for this Christmas Day vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and I thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my videos. I really appreciate all of you, and I appreciate your support every day, and especially during the Vlogmas days. I hope you enjoyed those videos, and I will continue to put out videos daily until the end of the month. All right, so with that, remember to live life, be good to yourself, and be good to others. Until next time.